Y'all see my little edges filling in, everything filling in. I told y'all I was gonna be scalpy, but not for long. It's filling in, real nice, real nice. Hey y'all, time for another video. Today's video is going to be all about my go-to products that I use on my now curly natural hair. I have some products that I use for cleansing, for moisturizing, and then for styling. So I'm gonna go through all of those for you guys, and if you're interested, then keep watching. Okay, first off, let's start with cleansing. So I shampoo and condition my hair probably every 2 days. Sometimes I try to go 3, but mostly every 2 days. And what I've been using is a sulfate-free shampoo by Cream of Nature. And this is it. It's the Argan Oil Sulfate-Free Moisture and Shine Shampoo. I like this shampoo a lot. Even on my relaxed hair, I use that because it cleanses really well, but it's not harsh and drying, and the fact that it's sulfate free is always a plus when you have curly hair. So that's the shampoo that I've been using, and I do mix that. Well, I shouldn't say mix. So one of the washes I will use that. The next wash I will use the As I Am Coconut Co-Wash. I'll show you that one. The As I Am Coconut Co-Wash. And that product is designed for curly hair or natural hair, and it's really gentle on the hair, and it cleanses, but I don't like that it doesn't cleanse as much as I want if I use it just continually. That's why I switch it up and I use the Cream of Nature one. So I alternate between those two for shampooing. For conditioner, I use the same conditioner every single time. This is the Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Restorative Conditioner. I love this product. And yes, I understand the whole controversy with Shea Moisture. Yes, I get it. Yes, I agree. But at the same time, unless somebody can leave me a comment with a comparable product, I cannot beat the product. It works. So I don't know what to say about all of that. This is not a video for that anyway. However, either shampoo that I use, I follow up with that conditioner. I leave it in my hair for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then I just rinse it out. You can also use that as a deep conditioner. You can put a plastic cap on. You can apply heat, sit under the dryer, whichever you like. But that conditioner leaves my hair so soft and so moisturized, and I really like it. It does not leave a buildup or a film on my hair. It's really a good product. I do like it, and I use that every 2 days as well. So every time I wash, I use that conditioner. Now let's move on to moisturizers. So the only moisturizer I use is good old H2O. I use water, and then on top of the water, or sometimes underneath the water, I use them just interchangeably, and then I use them water and then moisturizer, and then I use moisturizer and then water. It doesn't matter. But I use this little concoction, which I told you guys about before. I spray that in my hair every day, if not twice a day, but for sure every morning. So I run my hand under the faucet, I wet my hair, that's the water, then I put this in as a moisturizer, and that is what I do every single morning. Sometimes at night I will also moisturize my hair with that same concoction mixture. And then after that, not every time, but a lot of the time, I go back in with the Giovanni Direct, and I'll put this lightly on top of my hair. I don't always do this, but sometimes I do put this in as well. What I have been doing lately, every time I do this style, like a curly style, I go in with the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Dip my hands in, run that all through my hair, and then I work it through kind of like a lotion because it can tend to leave a white cast. It's temporary though, like the whiteness goes away. I put that in my hair. Then I go into my stylers. So for me, the water, my little mixture, my homemade mixture, the Giovanni Direct Leave-In, and the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, for me, those are all in the kind of moisturizer category. So wash and condition, then moisturize, and then now I'm going to show you the styling products that I've been using. To style my hair, these are things that I just know because I was natural before, but you might have to play around with them if this is your first time. But I style my hair with IC Fantasia Gel. This is like an aloe vera based gel. And I shouldn't say like, it is an aloe vera based gel. It's clear. and it's much, I like the way it smells. It's much lighter than like an Eco Styler gel. So if you have super thick hair that really needs a lot of product in order for it to curl or hold, that might not work well for you. But if you like a lighter hold, that will work. It can flake if you don't use the right conditioner, I shouldn't say conditioner, moisturizer on your hair. Again, that's gonna be something that you're gonna have to figure out for your particular hair. So when I layer those products I talked about just before, and then I go in with that, it's fine. So I just take a scoop of it, rub it all over my hair. I mean, I work it all in. I think I showed this in the how I style my TWA video. I'll link that one. So I put that everywhere except on my edges. So that aloe vera gel goes all over the back, everywhere. Then I go back in with my Eco Styler gel. I like the green one, the aloe vera, I mean the, what is that? Is it aloe? No, olive oil. I like the green olive oil Eco Styler gel. And what I do is I dip my finger in there and I just run that along my edges. And then I go in and I shape up my edges. And then I take a little bit of it and I put it right here, just past the edges. And I pull down those curls into my edges to kind of camouflage everything. Y'all see my little edges filling in, everything filling in. I told y'all I was gonna be scalpy, but not for long. It's filling in, real nice, real nice. Then I also go back in with the Eco Styler gel, and I take a little bit and I like pinch it, and I put it on my hair at the nape, right here, and at the baseline all the way across. And then sometimes I will pull my ear and I'll put it on this hair right here. My hair, especially right here and in the back, tends to be more of like wispy and wavy. It's not like a curl, but I want it to curl. And I need something that's a little heavier. So for me, that Eco Styler works. That's why I use it in those areas. And then for my edges, because my edges are still partially relaxed, I need to use something a little heavier with more of a hold. As I cut off all the relaxed edges, I can use that aloe vera gel all over my hair. But for now, I do like this look, and so I use the heavier Eco Styler gel. That's all I use to style my hair. I've been seeing videos with people like, they'll do their hair like this, but then they put like oil sheen in it, hairspray in it, like L-net hairspray. I'm just like, what are you doing? That is not good for your natural hair. But hey, do your thing. But that's all I use, those two products. That is it. Even when I did the sleek style that I did, which gave me a little versatility, which is completely different than this style, it's a whole different look. All I used was those same products, gel. I don't put a lot of stuff in my hair like that. As it gets longer and I'm able to do twists and things like that, I will use a cream, because my hair likes creams. Like I used to always use the Oyen handmade whipped pudding when I do my twist, so I'll use that eventually. But right now I don't have enough hair to do anything but TWA or lay it all down. So that's what I use. Okay, y'all, that was it. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, please leave any questions or comments down in the comment section. I will get back to you guys. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and subscribing. Please also follow me on my other social medias. I will leave them linked for you guys and they will pop up on the screen. Until next time, y'all, bye.